Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I shared some important IELTS reading tips. In today's video, I'll be sharing important test tips about the next section of the IELTS examination, which is the listening test. So, let's start today's video with some tips to overcome the listening test challenges and achieve Band 9 score. Tip number 1. Know the test. Each listening section is devised to test you on different skills. Let us examine each section by its purpose, the skill you will be tested on, and the type of questions that you can expect. Section 1. A telephonic or face-to-face conversation which has a nature of inquiry. It could be an inquiry with a tour operator, hotel receptionist, or vacation planner. There will be questions and answers from both the people involved in the conversation. In this section, you will mostly have a small table with a fill-in-the-blank format which you have to fill as per the word count suggested. You may also expect a fill-in-the-blank section in which you will fill basic information. Here, the difficulty level may be low and you are mostly asked uncomplicated questions. Section 2. The second section is mostly instruction based, where a professor or a management personnel will dictate detailed instructions for a student or employee to follow. The task will be to find matching information or fill in the blanks with a specific word count. Section 3. As the sections progress, the complication level can be expected to rise as well. In this section, you will hear a discussion between a group of people. It could be a discussion before a presentation on a current academic topic. Expect the questions to be relatively tricky. To choose the correct answer, you have to be very precise in your comprehension. Section 4. This section will generally be a lecture from a professor or an academician on a topic. The skill tested here is the ability to understand complex phrasing and vocabulary. Since the speaker will be talking about a study on a current issue or scientific discovery, you will be tested on your ability to grasp the core idea and answer questions related to the issue highlighted in the speech. Now, tip number 2. How to use the 30 seconds before the audio begins. Firstly, analyze the instructions before starting. Underline keywords in the instruction that make all the difference. For example, write the answer with maximum of 2 words or write the answer in at least 2 words mean different things. Point number 2. Skim through questions in the section. You get 30 seconds to look at the instructions and the questions. Underline keywords in the questions to quickly establish the kind of answer that is needed. Point number 3. Identify the type of answer for each question. It could be a name, a number, or a city. Predicting the type of answer needed can help you listen for the right answer when the conversation veers towards that topic. Here are some of the various types of questions. So, before you begin to implement the IELTS listening tips, you need to understand the different types of questions that might come during the test. Some of them are multiple choice, matching information, sentence completion, table, diagram, or flowchart completion, and short answer. Tip number 3. Knowing the answer sheet. In the answer sheet, there are no questions to refer to. You have to write the correct answer as per the instructions next to the correct number. Your answers could be alphabets, names, number, or just the correct information within the word limit. Make sure you map the right answer to the right question number. Some important tips to remember here are: number 1. Pen versus pencil. I would advise using a pencil and not a pen to mark answers. This is a great way of dealing and coping with distractors and spelling mistakes that you may spot later. Number 2. Upper versus lower case. I would advise using all uppercase in the test or all lowercase. There is no need to worry about it since the marking is case insensitive. Now, tip number 4. Listen to various types of audios. For overcoming the accent and vocabulary related challenges, listen to podcast, BBC radio, speeches, and TED Talks. Tip number 5. Improve your concentration. I would suggest starting with listening to short audios, then progressing to longer audios. Taking on too much at the beginning can make you feel hopeless while preparing. Conditioning your mind to move on and not panic when you miss an answer is an essential part of dealing with adversity that comes with the IELTS examination. Tip number 6. Learn to multitask. This is one challenge that can only be overcome with practice. Reading the question, listening to the answer, and writing down the correct one at the same time is not as easy as it seems. Generally, you get 30 to 40 seconds between each answer in the audio. This gives you the much needed time to read the next question quickly. To get better at this, take dictations or write transcripts. Tip number 7. Practice with timed tests. This is one of the obvious IELTS listening tips for achieving the Band 9 score. Practicing each section separately is good at the beginning, but taking a full test can leave your mind exhausted with the effort of concentrating. Don't feel complacent and continue practicing even if your initial score is decent. So friends, these were some of the important test tips to achieve Band 9 score in the IELTS examination. With more and more practice, you can easily achieve your desired score in the test. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any doubts or queries, please feel free to ask them in the comment section below. Please do like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So, keep practicing. Thank you.